Hello everyone, this is the intermediate workshop we did here in Lisbon. So a very quick video recap of what we did today. We did, the first thing we did was our concepts. And our first concept was playing with how West Coast swing is dynamic. So we had a go playing with our first stride. You can keep it really short on your sugar push, for example. We keep it more medium. And then we practice while keeping it long. This means the leader, but followers can also go with their foot strides as well. Practicing, because it's not just one fixed position. We also spoke about arms as well, practicing with short arm. Some people struggle, they automatically went here. But you can dance from here, keeping it short, especially when it's a fast blues. Then we had medium, then we had long leg. So make it more dynamic. And then after that we spoke about, what was after that? We went straight to our pads, I believe. So we did a one-handed sugar push. So here's half. And we spoke about, this is a really nice sugar push because we have an arm free here for leaders and followers, so we can add things with it. So we did this. We spoke about the free arm, how you can move from the back muscles and then from the joints outwards. We have a mirror here. I can move my body first as well, and then the arm moves like this, so we can have really nice movement instead of the hand coming up first. Dancers will move the joints separate, like we're underwater. And you can come down elbow, or you can come down from the back muscles, and you have your own style, and you do your styling. And then we had a whips, but in a reverse position, and it was a reverse whip. So we went 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. We can actually catch in the same position. That was the basic. And then we added on to this and thought you can actually cut the whip in the middle and just make it to a closed position. 2, 3, and just transfer the weight. And now we can groove to my famous move. We can groove to the music, we go backwards. We go backwards in like normal time or half time. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. I like to pitch slightly forwards as well. Or the other direction. Like you can go on the side of the follow to make it easier. Or half time. Or you can go around the circle. Lots of things you can do. You can go with the hips first. You go with the ribs first. You go with the head first. Very nice. I'm playing. And then, often when the music is in a very relaxed, calm moment, then when the beat kicks in again, you can open up and then go back into your dance. So we spoke about how the music can influence your dancing, rather than just doing the same thing on every part of the song. And then we moved on. And what was our next technique when we had?
Open whip.
Open whips, yes, fantastic. And then for the technique, we spoke about energy in the followers especially. So if the followers have all this energy and then we're just taking away, walking up this, the partnership has a lot less energy to use. We spoke about having this energy, but we're still stepping and developing. We're not stepping too far forward each time. Even if it's a slow song, you can still have the energy instead of no energy, because then we have so much to use. When the energy is coming back, the leader has so much more we can do. We spoke about the follower's job is to keep going to the end of the slot. Even if you know it's a left side pass, keep going. 3 and 4, and just keep going backwards until you feel the end of the rope and the posting from the leader. Open whip. I remember now, it's called a hustle whip as well. Some people call it a hustle whip. So we had 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And so I'm doing my normal whip timing, 1, 2, normal footwork, until 4, I can actually come more forwards. And then I open up the arms, return, pivot around, 6, and then I can drop this arm. Followers, think about when we start here. You want to connect before you come forwards. The same on the whip on 3 and. So it's 1, 2, 3 and. It's exactly the same as if we were starting here. 3 and. You want to give it that hip so we can then redirect. And then we add in an outside turn with the reverse hand. 1, 2, 3. Prep here. We talked about prepping the left hand towards myself and the right hand towards the follower. The follower's filling that space. I want to say pulling back, but it's using the back muscles, so they're also going up, we're both going away from each other. That's what we mean when we say filling the space. So I can feel her away energy on this hand and on this hand. If there's none, we kind of lose that, and I can't really prep my follower. So the prep makes it easier for both of us, and then turn this follower here. It's nice and slow and relaxed, we're not adding acceleration just yet. Then we did scrolls. Scrolls, we talk about posting the follower. Posting, which I normally do anyway when I'm dancing, we need to get the posting right. So 1, 2, 3, I step on 4, but I delay my weight transfer. It might be not so much, depends on what I'm dancing with. I might be keeping it behind. We're now posted. Center counterpoint. We spoke about tethering, which is like here in this position here. We need to tether down really nice. If there's no tethering, it's much harder to come around. But if there's tethering, you can have a long tether. So we're doing the same thing here. I'm posting on 4, so do a left side pass, for example. So pass those, sorry, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I go 5, 6, 7, and 8. The follower just stays and they're tethered with their frame. They're not breaking their frame, and then they're keeping the frame connected to the hips to the floor. And that's how we get to the first scroll. And then we did an inside turn, inside roll. So it's a 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and prep, 7, 8. We can do it leapfrog style this direction. The follower is turning their left shoulder blade to help, but the momentum's been created already by both of us. So it's a 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7. I like to look down there. It helps to bring my body around. I look down the way I came from. And then that's how we can, our leapfrogs, and you can hit the one in the music that way. If you start on 1, you can then hit the one next part of music. I'll show you a bonus, which she has no idea what's happening. She has no idea. We can do a cross-handed hold, bring the hand here, and do it this way around, catch, and then prep. And there's so many variations from this, and it makes it super fun. She's smiling, which is a good sign. Thank you very much, everybody. Congratulations.